What's happening, everybody? It's Stephen Wilson here from the Eat, Sleep, Suplex, Retweet podcast. And today, instead of our usual audio podcast, we're going to be trialling something a wee bit different. And I'm going to be doing a video podcast just to give the listeners a chance to see something different. And I thought, what better event, to trial this than to talk about the ICW Square Go event that's happening. So I'm going to be essentially talking about the matches that's been announced, talk about the potential inclusions, and what surprises we might see coming up. So I thought we got... What the hell's that? Sorry, I don't know what happened there. Get back to the start again. So, what the heck is these noises? I don't know what's going on here.
Insane championship wrestling. Do you know, you the ICW fan, you the voyeur that this is for, the people who live vicariously through people like me and through all those other ICW alumni, the people that men like him entertain with their predictions and their know-how. I must confess, I was like you once. I was sat there, I was watching that arena, and unlike you, the difference between a person like me and a person like you is that it becomes too much eventually. Eventually you have to get so close you can smell the sweat. So I did. Then that wasn't enough. I had to do what I could. I had to even share the experience to feel what it's like, to feel the violence, to almost taste the iron and the blood in the air. But like any escalation, that wasn't enough for me. I need more. ICW Square Go. You know, I'm not one to using the colloquialisms of where I'm from, but it's one I'm quite fond of. I challenge you to fight me because I think I'm better and I do not like you. The rest of the Square Go, those 29 other people, I challenge you to a fight because I know I'm more violent than you, and I do not like you. I am a wolf among sheep. I am Alexander Darwin McAllen. I know I was wrong last time. First time I made an impression. Second time I left a mark. This time I'm going to leave a scar.